how you can improve your slice, which grip to use when you slice, and how to do it, which exercises you can do alone to get better at this shot. So the first thing is the grip. And one of the most common mistakes I see as a coach is players, maybe I don't know about you, but closing too much the hand and like that, and using completely like a hammer grip, but too close like this. And first, you cannot have the wrist so firm, should be relaxed. And second, in my opinion, you should open more your hand and don't do exactly continental grip, continental, open a bit more. You see, instead of doing continental, open a bit more to this side, to your right, and the hand like that. This is gonna help you to feel the ball. And then another thing is to open your fingers like this hand, instead of this, okay, to open more. This by itself is gonna help you a lot, and you'll have much better feeling when you do the slice, okay, and you start to have this feeling. Sorry, it was softball. Then the second thing is exercises you can do alone just to improve the feeling of the ball. Of course, it's not exactly how you hit the slice, but it's gonna help you a lot, help me as a tennis player and help all my students, so I think might be interesting for you and it's worth trying. The first thing is just to try to have the ball back. You see, you can play and see if the ball starts to come to you. And one of the tips I can give you is, you see my hand is like that. Okay, it's a bit more on top of my grip, not so continental. And this is gonna help you to do this retro, like this, we call it. And you can listen to the top spin, the retro, okay, here. Okay, and once you can do this, you can start, for example, using the net. Once you do this slice, you can have the net and you can start doing. Okay, and another exercise is you do this movement exactly the same, one for you, like one for you, and then the second you move forward and you finish with the racket straight, for example here, with the racket either straight or a little bit up. If you finish, instead of finishing here, if you go a little bit up, it's gonna increase the feeling of your ball. Just a second, sorry, you can start warming up. If you finish here, you're gonna start getting better feeling. And let's say you prepare here, when you finish, okay, the racket starts on your shoulder and is gonna finish a little bit lower than the shoulder because you want the ball to go down. So this is one of the tips I want to share with you. I think it helped all my players, so for sure it's gonna help you. So it's worth trying. I hope you can try and enjoy your tennis and play better. See you in the next video. Bye bye.